Favorite Products 2022 Part 3 Prestige Brands. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Thanks so much. Well, this is the third and final of my best of videos for 2022. And today I'm covering the prestige brands. I've tried a lot of prestige brands this year. In the past I've been a little hesitant. There are a few favorites. I've always loved IT. I love the brow products from Anastasia, and they're still my favorites. But this year I really dug in and bought some Chanel, some Charlotte Tilbury, some Dior. Now there's still a lot of prestige brands I've yet to try, maybe 2023. But from the ones I tried this year, here are a few of my favorites. I'm going to start off this day using prestige brands with Clarins Total Eye Lift Eye Cream. Just a little dot. And under the eye. Okay, next step. I think this is my all-around favorite moisturizer sunscreen. This is the multi-action Super C SPF 30 from Strivectin. I tried this particular product for the first time this year, but I've been using Strivectin for years and love it. Most of the primers I use are either drugstore brands or influencer brands, but one that I did try this year that I really liked is Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Glow Primer from Charlotte Tilbury. And this has a slight tint to it. A little bit goes a long way. And basically it just provides a little bit of a sort of an underglow, and it helps your foundation stay in place all day. Now, I tried so many really good foundations this year that I can't really name one favorite. I'm going to just mention a bunch of them. Now, IT has long been one of my favorite brands. I tried the Nude Glow this year. I liked it a lot, but my two favorites from IT are ones that I've loved for years. That is the Your Skin But Better Illumination Foundation and the Bye Bye Foundation. Neither of these are new, but they're both fantastic. And time to restock, actually. Now, I tried several of the really high-end brands. One by Lancome, very, very good. This new Teint Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow. Shout out to that. Right now I'm going to talk about three of the most prestigious brands that I tried this year and loved. From Chanel, I actually tried three different new foundations. The CC Cream, which is great. It includes moringa plum extract, unearthed from an Australian superfruit rich in vitamin C. Now that one has sunscreen, a lot of good things in it. I love it, but it is a thicker foundation. The #1 foundation, which is a whole line of products that Chanel put out probably over a year ago, but I just discovered it this summer. The key product in this is the Red Camellia Flower, which is supposed to actually tighten, firm, really add both a youthful glow and an extra layer of protection for your skin. The other one I tried, and I just recently did a review on, is the Vita Lumiere Aqua, which is a super light texture, water light texture, it says, and it has high definition light pigments to help ensure the complexion looks even, natural, and radiant, and it also has an SPF of 15. Now I took notes on all of these. I also tried a Dior foundation. This one, the Forever Matte Foundation by Dior. I love this one as well. It says this is an iconic no transfer foundation that offers high perfection complexion with 24-hour wear. I love this one as well. And Charlotte Tilbury. I had never really tried a Charlotte Tilbury foundation until this year, and I tried two. The newest one, the Beautiful Skin, which is absolutely incredible. It makes my skin feel radiant. To quote Charlotte, "Darlings, my new Beautiful Skin foundation gives everyone skin that looks beautifully hydrated, plumper, smoother, and brighter." And yeah, it does. I really do like it. A lot of people, it's kind of a love-hate thing. I watch other videos from YouTubers and some love it, some don't. But I do. I'm definitely in the love it category. Another one that I finally tried, it's been around for a few years, is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And, you know, this is Charlotte's #1 foundation. And as far as anti-aging, it's 2% Replexium, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles by up to 22% after 8 weeks of use. Magic Moss Cell Tech to boost hydration by up to 216%. Anti-pollution CT defense, powerful peptide, and air cool for a lasting fresh feel to combat the effects of humidity and sweat. We have a lot of humidity where I live. So which one am I going to use today? It's really hard to decide. I think I will use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Fresh Foundation. Here it is. Now, a lot of these foundations, they say you notice all the difference if you use it for 21 consecutive days. I don't think ever in my lifetime have I used the same foundation for 21 consecutive days. When I was really young, a lot of days I didn't wear foundation. Now I wear it most every day unless I stay in the house all day. But I have so many and I like to rotate them. But anyway, this is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. It's sort of her most famous signature brand foundation. And I really got into that brand this year. And so far, I've pretty much loved everything I've tried. The shade I use in this is 5.5 neutral, and that seems like a pretty good match for me. I think I used a 6 neutral in the Beautiful Skin. I bought that in the summer when I was spending a lot more time in the sun though. Now I also tried a lot of really good concealers. My favorite from last year, the Lancome Teint Idole, is still high up on my list, but I tried several great new ones. I think my top 2 are the Dior Forever Skin Correct and this one from Dermablend, which is a little more full coverage. Cover Care, but it's full coverage, but it's not heavy or cakey at all. So I think today I am going to use the Dior. I got the shade 1.5 in, which is a little bit light. The Dermacare, I think I got a 23, which is more of a light medium shade. But in the winter, my skin does seem to be a little paler. I just put a little dot of that and then rub it in. I think I'm going to use the blender today. And for my brows, my favorite for years, and I've tried a lot of others, but this one is still #1, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And a lot of times I will use a gel or something with this as well. But this alone or with other products, to me, is just the best. Then you can use this in to sort of brush them, set them. Now, as far as eyeshadow, most of the prestige brands generally offer little quadrants. 4 colors, a couple of them may have 5, but most of them are 4 colors, little, about this size with a mirror, nice little palettes. All of them are good quality. No real favorite there. However, one of the prestige brands put out a palette that I'm also going to give my best value of the year. And that is this one from Charlotte Tilbury. It was a special edition, the Icon palette. It's now available at Amazon. I think I can't remember, it's 23 or 28 or something, but I'll put a link down below. This palette has so many incredible colors. Well, so I'm going to start with this color up here and just use that as sort of as a base for my entire eyelid. I bought a lot of liners, but I tend to like powder liners best. It's just somehow easier to control for me. This black one is amazing. Now I'm adding a little color highlight. I think I'm going to use this pink here and just go from the outer edge up into the crease. Again, finally, just to touch everything together, I'm going to take this lighter pink and take this fluffy blender brush and blend everything together. Okay, just a nice soft look using this palette. You can also do a really bold look with these colors. I'm going to finish off my eye look with Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Lashes Pillow Talk. Now for cheek color, I'm using this product I just bought a few weeks ago from Chanel. This is blush number 23, and it's just perfect amount of color. A little bit of pink here, and let's blend in. Now, I've got to go with Charlotte Tilbury again for other cheek products. She really knows how to make you glow. I'm going to start with this is the contour wand, and just put a little bit, tiny dot, under my cheekbone and under my jaw. And now I bought these two as a combo. This is the Pink Gasm, which is one of her famous products. Put a little bit of that on the cheekbone as well. It gives it extra shine. And then a little bit of this Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter Spotlight. And just tap up here, above the cheekbone for a little bit of highlight. And then take my favorite brush and just blend everything together, and you just get a nice little amount of glow. Now for the lips, more often than not, I'm going to use an influencer brand or a drugstore brand. But among the high-end, my favorite things, this little mini kit I got from Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk. And it's a nice little liner and lipstick. So here goes. In fact, it's so good, I'm probably going to buy the full size. And here's the lipstick. It's sort of the perfect pink shade. I think this is my very favorite lip color. Another prestige brand I'm going to plug in for is this Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss, because this is also a lip plumper as well as a gloss. You can wear it by itself, over or under your lip products. I prefer to kind of top with it to give it a little extra shine. But yeah, I'll just put a little touch of this on top. And this comes in a lot of colors. I think it comes in clear as well. The shade I'm using is called Paid Off. And to finish everything off, I'm using this powder. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish. And that can be kind of a tongue twister by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to just put a little bit just around my forehead, my nose. And of course, Charlotte is also famous for her setting spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And let's just, voila, finished for the day. There's so many prestige brands. I'm glad I finally decided to try more of them this year. There's still others I want to try. I've not tried the foundation by Hourglass. I've not tried the latest NARS foundation. And I haven't tried the super expensive brands like Tom Ford and La Mer as well. Will I try them in 2023? Wait and see. But so far, I love what I've tried this year. I have so many wonderful products, and I enjoy kind of keeping them in rotation. So anyway, this is just a few of my high-end favorites for 2022. What are yours? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.